Hi everyone, this week we're going to be repairing another Xbox One controller. This one happens to have a broken directional pad. So we're going to get the controller torn down and get one simple part replaced and get this controller back to working the way that it should. I see a lot of the older controllers have this just because they get worn out over time. Part costs less than $1, so let's get to work. We're going to need to remove the motherboard and daughterboard on this. You can get it out without soldering. It does take a little bit more time, so I end up just desoldering the vibration motors. Really just makes it a lot easier. Make sure that you're not ripping the wires or having to deal with them being in the way. Just 8 points, quick solder, and it'll pop right off. Now with the motherboard removed, we have access to the part we're going to replace. It's just an adhered pad. You're just going to go ahead and peel it off. It has 4 metal buttons on it. They'll stay as part of one piece. Peel it off. I do go ahead and clean it. There are times where cleaning it can be the only fix that you need to do. The contacts do get dirty. Just go ahead and clean it off, and then we'll adhere a new pad to it. You can get them on eBay pretty cheap. We'll get that stuck on there and get the controller reassembled, and this repair is all done. And there we have it, another controller saved from the landfill. Thank you for watching.